Okay, so this is going to be step number 5-ish. I'm going to explain to you how the character and paragraph work, okay? So when you have something that you have text on it, and if you take your selection tool and you double click on it, you'll notice that now you have your cursor here, but that you automatically change the type tool. Makes sense, okay? So a couple things. If this is my heading, and I highlight it by double clicking, if you go up to your character, which will automatically show up, and you simply just click the font family, okay, and it is highlighted in blue. You can then use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to go through all the different fonts, okay, which makes it really nice and easy to see what your heading or what your subheading will look like with a different font. Okay, so let's find one. Let's use something that will give us a little interesting. Okay, let's just do this one. Once you select, okay, you'll notice to the left, this is where I said you could, it's a font style, but this is where you can have bold, italic, depends on the actual font and what it allows you to do. So this one has light and ultralight, okay, so you can see that the light's a little bit heavier than the ultralight. I'm going to use ultralight, and then to the right of that is the point. So just like in Word, your points as well, okay. Now if you click on the character panel here, okay, some things we can do, give me a second. Okay, I'm just going to keep this here. Again, you can, the tracking, okay, allows you to add space in between, which is really nice if you need text to take up a certain area. You can just adjust the tracking instead of actually making everything fatter. I'm just going to make this a little bit fatter here. So that's the T stands for how it's going to then affect the text, as well as I'm going to make it a little bit taller so that it takes up all this space. Okay. Everything was already in caps because I had caps lock on. But again, if I wanted something to be a, let's say I want it to be a subscript, okay, and I highlight this, I come up to character, hit subscript, it makes it for me. I'm going to undo that. Okay, next thing I want to show you, let's say I want to underline this. I could use the line tool if I wanted, or I could come up to character and simply click underline. Okay, so that's how that works. The other thing is the paragraph tool. Okay, this shows you how you want to align and justify your information or your text within a text box. Okay, as well as indenting from the side, indenting together, from the left and from the right, as well as from the top and then after. So this is the same thing in Word. And like I said, if you have detailed amount of text and it is hyphenating and you don't want that, that's because this box is clicked right here. So that's under paragraph. Just unclick this box and it will not hyphenate it.